I fell in love with the man who makes documentaries and married him, so I'm very privileged tonight to give out this award. It's in tribute to a man called George Morrison, who, if you may or may not know, is a pioneering documentary maker, Misha Era Saoirse. Documentaries that make us all proud, and the people who are nominated this year are carrying on the tradition and making great films which go out and inform, inspire and emotionally connect with audiences all over the world. And the nominees are
Blood Fruit.
They'd be saying, why are you doing this for the niggers? They wouldn't be doing it for you and all this. And I was like, how do people think like that?
We want to build jointly but separately in South Africa.
In a house that ceased to be.
Stronger than all the weapons in the world and all the wars in the world, huh? Yeah. And you know what? We don't even have to pay for it. That's right, we don't have to pay for it.
1 million Dubliners.
And we brought Dad over to the grave and the piper played and he was lowered into the ground. And that was it. And that was a Wednesday. And I did the tour at 2:30 for that.
Road.
For a road racer, success and tragedy are separated by the narrowest of margins. Danger is ever present. Death, just a split second away.
Unbreakable.
Today I was able to give Simon a hug. It's like something as simple as that is just really impactful.
all brilliant documentaries, but the IFTA goes to In a House That Ceased to Be, Rex Bloomstein, Paul Duane, Ciarín Scott.
Wow. Sorry. Thank you, IFTA. This is really an incredible journey of 6 years with Christina, filming around the world. And the courage of her and her family, her brother Sean, her sisters Philomena and Kathy, in making this film. And I hope with the historic vote yesterday that somehow what happened to them, our society is moving on and these things will never happen again. And look, it's a collaborative art. The great cameraman, Steve O'Reilly, his image is unbelievable. The best producer, Paul Duane, and the incomparable editor, Tony Cranstoun. Thank you. Wow.